Hey everyone, how's it going? It's Anna here, and today I'm excited to share some great news about a product called Java Burn. You guys, if you're curious about what it is and how it works, well then stick around because I've got all the details for you guys in this video, and I will be sharing a few warnings that you guys need to know before checking it out. So there has been some talk about whether Java Burn is as good as it sounds, so you definitely don't want to miss any of this. Before we jump in, I have linked the official website in the description below, so make sure to check it out if you want more information. You guys, this is the first warning you guys need to know. Java Burn is only sold on the official website, so you have to check out the link to see everything you guys need and to get the real deal. So you have probably seen Java Burn mentioned online and might be wondering what it's all about. Well, let me tell you, Java Burn is making waves as a standout natural supplement. So what actually is the big deal and why is everyone talking about it? Java Burn is this very unique blend that uses the power of 100% natural ingredients to support your weight loss journey. It's actually made from high quality ingredients and is completely safe for your body, so you don't have to worry about any weird, unpleasant side effects. Java Burn is designed to boost your metabolism, increase your energy levels, and help your body burn fat more effectively throughout the day. Plus, it is packed with antioxidants, which are fantastic for your overall health. With Java Burn, you can enjoy your morning cup of coffee while giving your body a very healthy boost. For the best results, it is recommended to add Java Burn to your daily coffee routine. It's really easy to incorporate that, and it's a really easy way to kickstart your mornings and really get your metabolism going. And here's something amazing. Java Burn really is suitable for everyone, regardless if you're a man or a woman. Whether you're looking to just shed a few pounds or need an extra energy boost throughout the day, Java Burn really has everything to offer. But remember, consistency is really important, you guys. To get the full benefits of Java Burn, it's important to make it a regular part of your routine. If you stay committed, you might start seeing some impressive results sooner than you think. According to the creators of Java Burn, sticking with it can really help you reach your weight loss goals and boost your overall health. So if you're serious about making a change, Java Burn could be the game changer you have been looking for. If you have any questions, check out the official website where you guys are going to find all the important details. And of course, the official Java Burn. So head over there to learn more, check out the discounts and everything you guys can gain. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I hope you have an amazing day ahead. Bye!